Here's how to post multiple photos on your Instagram story. Tap the plus sign at the top right on the screen. On the bottom right, you'll see options for posting. Select Story. You have two different options. You can use Instagram's layout feature to post multiple photos in a story. You'll see an option to change your grid. Take live photos. Or swipe up to see your photo library. Choose a photo for each section. You can adjust the picture by using 2 fingers to move it around. You can delete a photo off the grid by tapping the photo and hitting the trash can icon. The other way lets you post a series of photos, each a separate 15-second story. On the story screen, swipe up and tap Select Multiple. Choose the photos you want. When you hit Next, you have the option of adding filters, text, drawings, links, or stickers. To post a 24-hour story, tap Share